Okay, so the Honda is in 1972 CB175. We get it checked out, and yes, the carburetors do need to come apart. They're sticky. We also have a oil leak that was discovered. But overall, the bike's pretty clean, so we're going to get after the main issue, get these carburetors rebuilt, get the fuel freshened up, put some fuel filters in line here, fresh plugs, and she should be ready to go. We'll get the gaskets on ordered up, and we'll get the oil leak taken care of. Customer wants to ride this for the holiday weekend, so let's get her back together. Now that she's running, take her for a quick road test. Feel a few things out of adjustment, clutch, brakes. This is where I'm able to see what's out of line. So beyond a few adjustments, this thing is ready to go. We have gaskets on order that we have to get the customer back for because they needed it very quickly for the holidays. But we'll square them up next time in. Give us a call or stop by. Tricked Out Cycles.